Hi mathematicians, today we are on lesson 9.3 in your Go Math book. Use non-standard units to measure length on page 381. And our question is, how do you measure length using non-standard units? What that means is a non-standard unit would be something like a tile or a paper clip, because a standard unit would be something like an inch, okay, 1 inch. Because in the real world, we don't use paper clips to measure how long our couch is, or we don't use paper clips to measure how long a room is, or our desk, and we don't use tiles. But we do use something called inches and then feet to measure items, okay? This is what people actually use. We'll get into that later. You really get into it in second grade. But what they want us to do is measure in non-standard units. So something like tiles, or today I'm using paper clips because we aren't at school and I don't have tiles at home. Maybe you do. I do not, okay? So our problem is this. It says, Jimmy sees that his boat is about 6 color tiles long. Draw Jimmy's boat, okay? And draw the color tiles. Well, I do not have color tiles, remember, like I said, but I am using paper clips. So his boat is 6 color tiles long, 6 paper clips. So remember, when you measure, you need things to touch perfectly, okay? You don't want them to overlap. No, no, no. That would not be precise or accurate, but you do need them to touch edge to edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, not enough. And you need them to go in a straight line. I need how many more? 2 more. 5. Oh, his boat's getting longer and my papers, I'm running out of room. And 6, okay? He has a pretty long boat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 paper clips long. Because remember, I'm using paper clips, not tiles. Okay, so I'm going to cross that out. And I'm going to write paper clips, because that's what I'm using. Maybe you want to use something else. Okay, and now I have to draw his boat. I know his boat is about this long. Okay, there's Jimmy's boat. Okay, does not have to be perfect. All right, but these do need to touch. All right, and I can even draw out my paper clips. So I'm gonna draw, and I'm not very good at paper clips. That's okay. Three. I'm drawing them not as large as they are, which is not good. I have to do it to scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, these ones are gonna look really long. 5, 6. That's okay. So my paper clips were not perfect, but that is how I would draw it. This is my unit of measurement, paper clips, okay, for Jimmy's boat. Moving on. It says you can use tiles, remember, to measure length, but we're not doing that. We're doing paper clips. Write how many. Well, here, since we have to work with tiles, we're just going to continue on and pretend that we can't, we're going to imagine some tiles there. So right here, how long is this marker? Well, so far they have 2 tiles. I'm going to do my best to draw them accurately. A third, that's about the same. I need it to be the same size as these 2 tiles, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's see how many more tiles. 4, okay, so it's about 5, not perfectly, okay? You don't want to draw your tiles like this, with gaps right here in the middle. and smaller or larger, because then that's not accurate. So I didn't do it perfectly, but at least I got close to this size. And I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would fit, okay? About 5. Okay. Use real objects. Use tiles to measure. Nope, using paper clips. Okay, a crayon. I don't have a crayon with me, but I do have this lovely marker. So I'm going to measure my marker in paper clips. Okay, lining it up edge to edge. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, I pushed it a little. Have to be very precise. 4, 5, and then am I gonna fit another one? Maybe. We will just estimate. Estimate means it's not perfectly accurate. It's just about, okay? Does not have to be exact. So it is about, these are all not touching, so I need them to touch. Let's count my paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It is about 6 paper clips long. So I'm going to change this because I didn't do a crayon. I'm going to write marker, or you can draw it. I have a thin marker, so that's why mine's like, it's a thin one. Okay, so it's about 6 paper clips long, same as Jimmy's boat. Okay, now I have a stapler. I'm going to use my real objects. Now, important to know, I don't have to remove these paper clips. I just need to remove my marker. Because I already have them lined up, I can just line up my object edge to edge with my paper clip, and I'm gonna get a little closer, so I am gonna move them. And just make sure they're accurate, because I didn't wanna have to do the whole thing all over again. I'm taking a little shortcut. Oh, and funny enough, it is about the same length. It is about 6 paper clips. Okay, about 6, remember, paper clips, paper clips, paper clips, paper clip, okay? Now I have a paintbrush. Find my paintbrush, and I'm not going to remove all these because I don't want to have to start it over. Oh my goodness, is everything about 6? This brush is also about 6 paper clips long. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. 6. My scissors, hopefully that's different. If not, I'm gonna have to add an object. Okay, I'm gonna remove my stapler. I'm gonna remove my brush, and I can see that, yes indeed, my scissors are longer. So I need to add a few more, but it's not that much longer. Only 1 more. So I know 1 more would be 7. So it's about 7 paper clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. All right, if I measured my glue, notice I'm not measuring it like this. Okay, I'm measuring the length, okay, how tall it is. And I can see that my glue is about, well, 2.5. It's not even 3. It's about 2.5 paper clips long. Okay, 2.5 of paper clips. So, or 3. We could write 3. But I just wanted to show you something that was shorter. Okay? So it's your turn. If you do not have these objects at home, that's okay. Do what I did, cross them out and change it for something else that you do have. Okay? All right, go ahead, have fun.